Hello, welcome to my vlog.
I'm only you, can't you see? I made a mistake. Please just look me in my face. Tell me everything's the same. 'Cause I got it.
Hello, welcome to my so today we're doing what is it?
A big nailed it.
It's a nailed it competition. So here we have our all of this. Excuse me. Ew, I just snorted. We have all our and there's Doug. Yep, it's going down.
Listen to me.
What?
One team is probably gonna get both the yellows, and one team is probably gonna get both the strawberries. So we have to think: do we want strawberry? Or do we want yellow?
I think we should do strawberry.
Cool. Go off.
Okay.
So, 90-minute challenge. Did you show him the picture, Kaden?
Yeah, you gotta show the picture.
Yeah,
I'm setting the alarm. What?
You have one job.
I have 3
You know what?
No, stop.
Dude, we could do this after. Let's just show the photo.
Okay.
So this is what it's going to look, supposed to look like.
It's gonna.
So what's the rules?
Okay, rules are you can't sabotage the other team.
11:30.
Okay.
Okay?
Wait, are we stopping at 11:30?
Yes.
And at 11:30. So you have to be done with everything at 11:30. You can't sabotage the other team. Get real. Then you just have to you have 90 minutes to make it look as much like that cake as you possibly can.
And our team, it will be identical.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, hey.
Hey, hey.
You flipped it off.
Imagine failing twice.
Yep, to your mother. Alright.
One job, Kaden. One.
It's 10 o'clock.
Okay, ready, set, go. Check in. 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 Yeah, we only have one pan and they took all 4. Like, I don't know what. So check in, basically, he screwed up. They took all the pans. They took all the big pans. So we had to use, dude, oh my god, Marie's overfilled them. We had to use cupcakes.
They're literally cheating.
They're literally cheating. They're cheaters. Okay, here we are. Okay, turn up the radio.
We do. What color should we make?
Blue. We need blue, right?
No, we should probably do like yellow.
The buttercream?
For the buttercream, we need yellow.
For what?
Oh my god. You do not understand.
Yeah.
So check-in
Which is what they do on
time.
the show, is 90 minutes.
We are making our shapes.
Our fondant.
I'm trying to make this
Tickety Talk. His
TikTok.
name's Tickety Talk.
This is how it looks so far.
His name is Tickety Talk.
Look at that.
Tickety Talk.
Okay, mate.
I have to sit through Blue's Clues every day. I know.
Where'd Red go? Oh.
Something. Are we on the last 15 minutes yet?
Chicken.
Last 15, we record the whole 15.
Okay.
So
So save it. Turn it off.
we could put it on the iPad over here. But then we can't see the picture.
Stop. So here's what's happening. Our team as a whole is crumbling. We're not doing good. The 5-year-old is laughing at us. Here's the thing.
You guys made a little tiny one with no
They got the pans first, and that's really when everything started crumbling. Taylor, that's really thin.
You know what?
It's gonna start ripping. So, we're not doing good.
I did you forget to do this one? My mom.
So I'm trying to make blue, and it looks.
Yeah, I'll be right
how would you describe it, Grace? How would you describe what blue looks like?
No.
Like a turd.
The shape of
Blue
the
looks like
dog. Bobby did a good smiley face of the shovel. And you too.
looks like the the movie The Avatar.
Yeah.
If they
I hate it.
stop. I mean, stop it.
You push the camera. Yeah.
Oh my lord.
What?
So funny. Let me
Open up your dough there. Open it up like this. And I'm going to give you more black in it. Okay?
You're gonna mix it in really good.
Yeah.
Oh, so funny. Oh, so funny.
I have an idea.
Special baby.
Yeah, but what is your idea right now? Dude, I have a great idea.
Cover the whole thing with frosting.
Dude, stop. No, I'm gonna have a great idea. Hold on. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
But make all the rough patches better.
That's why I was put blue in.
No, look at my green.
Oh, you could use that? Okay, shh. I told you to put blue.
You said don't try it.
I told you
This
to
is
put blue.
bad.
Oh, wait, you mean like break?
Everyone's thought you're doing pepper.
Dude, it's not even that bad. Like,
With red.
oh my god. It's really not that bad.
Where's the black?
I know that you're trying to convince yourself.
We forgot the top part of the bucket, man.
That's a good.
Give me the white.
Hey, I'm done.
He's not done.
Put the spot on his face.
Alright. Hey, no, Zed. Give me a high five. That was awesome. That beat it all.
And throw the mic on every part.
That was good.
How much time is left?
I peed a little. Action.
How do you guys feel you did?
Good.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
I'd say 8, maybe.
Yeah.
Let's take
7,
8,
8,
7 and a half.
How,
Yeah, 7 and a half.
how do you think it's gonna taste? Is it
It was gonna taste amazing.
Is it? Yeah, okay.
We already know.
How was the process? Was it difficult? Any fights?
No.
How much made our team? We worked well together, bro.
Okay. Okay.
Can't really.
Yeah, no fights.
All right. Are you ready to show secret?
Ready? You gotta say
1, 2, 3.
Nailed it.
Wow. Zoom in. Wait, that's actually really good.
It's honestly so good.
It's so good. Yeah, look at one. Dude, look at the arm. Thank you. Look at that avalanche.
Yeah, the back isn't.
Let's get a good close up on that.
We were expecting that spin around action.
We should promote.
Well, that's a great looking dog there.
No, it's
The clock is fantastic.
The clock does not have
It
numbers.
looks like he only works out one arm. Yeah. This is great.
It's lovely.
The salt and pepper, love it. Love it.
How'd you guys do?
I rate it. I think our little animals are good.
Animals. There's only one animal.
Figures.
No, I don't think so.
How would you, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the cake you were trying to create? An 11.
Wow.
Honestly, a 2.
A 2, okay.
Maybe like a 3.
Actually,
Do you think it's edible?
Definitely not
The bottom layer is not.
bottom layer is
Bottom layer is not.
No, the top layer is gonna be good.
The top layer is good.
Yeah, the top layer is good, but the bottom layer tastes like if you lick a Subway.
Okay. The sandwich? Oh, okay. Okay. Clarify. Okay, so let's
Oh no! I don't even know if it's.
Yep.
Okay.
You're good.
Ready? 1.
You have to say it when you open it.
Ready? Are you guys ready?
We have to say nailed it.
You have to say nailed it when I.
Don't not loud, remember.
1, 2, 3. Nailed it!
Oh. Wow.
You lose.
And then there's we added some extra like these.
You
Where's the
fell.
flag?
Turn it. Turn it.
Flag.
The dog is legit.
The dog is good.
The clock is legit.
Yes.
Yeah, I made the dog.
They're actually all really good.
Oh, the dog is
Look at, I like your salt and pepper.
I did that.
Oh, yes. Very nice.
I